I gotta get my words together. Like, I can't get my words together. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Jennie here. So today I thought I would just have like a simple chat with you guys. So last week I posted an Instagram poll as to if I should start a second YouTube channel showcasing my artwork or my works in progress in my artwork. And half of you said no and half of you said yes, which is why I am asking again on another social media platform, because I really don't know what to do. So like, I just want to make it very clear that this channel, my beauty channel, Kiss.Jennie channel, will not be affected. My beauty channel has been up for 3 or 4 years. I can't remember. I'm uploading consistently 3 days a week. Makeup and hair has always been my #1 passion. So that's not going to change. What will change is possibly a second channel. Comment down below whether I should do one. Just comment yes and comment no. I really don't know what to do. And on the second channel, I want to showcase the other hobbies that I have. And you know, I will link cards. I'll link cards. I love diamond painting, and I have shown a few pieces of my work here on this channel, and I also love canvas painting, and I will link that card as well. And I also love coloring books. I love anything to do with color. And you know, I guess for those of you who don't know, I've been a hairdresser for so long, and I'm not really exercising like the creative part of my brain, which is why I feel I found other venues, other hobbies to exercise that part of my brain. And like, I've just grown to love diamond painting and canvas painting, coloring books. Like, I've just grown to love it. So I figured if it's a passion of mine, then why not have a second channel? So like I said, comment down below if you guys want to see this, yes or no, and that's it. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at Kiss.Jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on my face right here. Or if you want to catch me in my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.